WordPress is an open source content management system, or CMS. It provides the system behind the website for creating pages, publishing content, uploading images, managing users, and adding extra functionality. At the time of making this video, it powers more than 40% of websites on the internet, making it the most widely used CMS on the web. Modern WordPress uses a block editor called Gutenberg. Pages are built from individual blocks for things like headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, columns, galleries, videos, and so much more. Developers can even make custom blocks as well for creating custom layouts or visual components. Gutenberg is our preferred editor because it's already built into WordPress. There are additional page builders, but they're prone to slowing the site down by adding an extra layer to rendering page content. Specifically, they tend to wrap content in extra HTML tags. They load additional CSS and JavaScript files that the page may not use at all and bloat the database, which can slow down page queries. Page builders are plugins, but there are plenty of other plugins that you can add to WordPress to increase its functionality. We use established plugins for common requirements such as forms, SEO, redirects, caching, and e-commerce, and use custom development when the functionality is specific to the website. WordPress does need ongoing maintenance though. WordPress itself, themes, and plugins are actively developed software, so they receive updates for security, bug fixes, and new functionality. For this reason, plus speed, we try to keep our plugin count low. Sites with a higher plugin count tend to have more moving parts, meaning there are more chances of plugin conflicts, increased vulnerability risk if they're not being actively maintained by the developers, and are generally more work to maintain. With a hosted platform such as Shopify, more of that maintenance is included in the monthly platform fee. WordPress is technically free. You can manage it yourself or pay someone to manage the hosting, updates, backups, and security. WordPress is also heavily targeted by attackers because so many sites use it. That doesn't make it vulnerable though. The security of an individual site depends much more on how it was built, the software installed on it, whether it's kept up to date, and the infrastructure it runs on. That combination of a strong core platform, a large plugin ecosystem, and the ability to easily add custom functionality is why WordPress works for such a wide range of websites we build. If you're looking for an expert WordPress developer, reach out to us at oinkdigital.com.au. We'd love to hear about your project.